turn a group practice into an IOP or PHP in Oklahoma too early, and you are marketing a program the state has not certified yet. In Oklahoma, Title 43A requires ODMHSAS certification before treatment services are provided. Converting from professional outpatient sessions into a structured program is not just a scheduling change. We will walk through what shifts when you make the move and the questions to resolve before you market the service. So, what changes when a group practice becomes an intensive outpatient or partial hospitalization program? You move from professional outpatient sessions into a structured addiction treatment program. The risk shifts to organization-level certification, clinical documentation, payer authorization, and group programming. In Oklahoma, ODMHSAS certifies organizations as program types, not individuals. Certification timing is one of the most important Oklahoma-specific planning issues, and it is easy to get wrong. ODMHSAS materials describe a stage-gated certification path, and OHCA payer readiness may not line up with your preferred start date. If the model depends on sooner care revenue immediately, the plan needs private review before the service is marketed. A real conversion comes down to 4 areas. Skip any one, and the timing, payer, or documentation risk catches up with you. Let us walk through all 4. First, treat certification timing as a risk point, not a formality. Title 43A mandates ODMHSAS certification for alcohol and drug treatment programs before treatment services are provided. The practical question is whether the planned service is still ordinary professional practice or has become an ODMHSAS certified program. The right next step is a tailored readiness review, not copying application steps into a generic plan. Second, fill the staffing and clinical leadership gaps. IOP and PHP programs require a different operating discipline than ordinary outpatient therapy. Evaluate whether your team can support addiction treatment documentation, group scheduling, level of care decisions, utilization review, and clinical supervision. The staffing model should come from the program design and ODMHSAS standards, not a generic internet matrix. Third, decide whether your current location can actually support the program. Group programming, confidentiality, check-in flow, record storage, parking, accessibility, and zoning all become more important. The question is not whether the office looks professional. It is whether the location supports the model ODMHSAS, and payers will evaluate. A converted program needs an EHR, CRM, and RCM setup built for program admissions and group encounters, not only private practice visits. Fourth, resolve the Medicaid and commercial payer questions before you rely on the revenue. Verify provider enrollment, program credentialing, medical necessity criteria, authorization review, and level of care billing before relying on the revenue model. The real question is whether certification status, payer contract, authorization, documentation, and claim format all line up. Behave Consulting helps behavioral health teams pressure test the model before launch, and the software supports the program once the structure is ready. Behave Consulting reviews the certification path, documentation workflows, admissions, and payer readiness before you launch. Behave Health's EHR, CRM, and RCM are designed to support program admissions, level of care documentation, and claims follow-up. Before you announce IOP or PHP services in Oklahoma, confirm these with the right sources. Confirm your certification status and program type with ODMHSAS before treatment services begin. OHCA says specialty behavioral health providers must complete pre-admission or prior authorization forms. Verify the rules. Map sooner care and commercial payer timing against your start date before relying on reimbursement. Pair public sources with counsel and experienced implementation support before you commit capital. Stop marketing a program Oklahoma has not certified yet. Scope the conversion first, then talk with Behave Health. See the EHR, CRM, and RCM built for IOP and PHP operations. Book a demo at behavehealth.com.